What's good, everybody? Look, bro, my mom has been hitting crazy on sneakers, bro. I don't know what's up with her account, but she has been hitting every single release that I've genuinely wanted, bro. So I might have to bless her with something pretty soon. But these threes I wanted really bad, and now I ended up with 2 pairs because I paid the plug a little extra. I don't know how I feel about the price, and we'll talk about why I don't feel about the price later on in the unboxing when you see the actual shoe, and go over what I like about the shoe and what I don't like. But my mom hit on sneakers, so I plan on selling that pair. They're both the same size. So if you're a men's, actually 14, 30, you're a men's 14, your boy got an extra one. So make sure to subscribing to the channel, commenting on the channel as well. That's how you can get in contact with me, or you follow me on my Instagram at @forthetoe_, and you can DM me on there. But man, these are the Nina Chanel Abney 3. So as you can see, we already have off the rip special packaging, and we'll also discuss who she is and why she even has a Jordan to begin with, because our profession definitely plays a big part into this. But as you can see, I like the box a lot. 23 with the Jumpman in the middle, and then you see these obscure designs all over the box, and you can see as well that it is like, it has like plastic texture. Now me personally, I'm a textured, touchy type of guy. I really don't like the feeling. There's nothing wrong with the box at all. It just gives me a weird feeling. It's like when you like scrape on something and it gets that weird feeling. But I like the box. So we're gonna go over the sizing. It says Women's Air Jordan 3 Retro OG-P. So it's OG-P is special packaging. A lot of people thought that these were not going to be, so these are women's sizes. However, they do go into extended sizing. Obviously, that's how I have a women's 15.5 or a 14 in men's. And she also had a pair of Jordan 2s. I don't think, back in 2022, I don't think a lot of people were on those. That was the year that they were just spamming out Jordan 2s. And I remember seeing her name, but I just didn't really do my research on it because I didn't want the Jordan 2. You feel what I'm saying? But love the 3s, so that's where we're gonna get into it. Now, the colorway is bi-coastal / black dash ouchite, so I'm pretty sure that's just creamish maybe. And then bi-coastal, I've learned, is just like shades of green, because I've actually bought 3 shoes that have that, and I was like, whoa. Color code is FZ7974-300. So if you are interested in these after the unboxing, you can go ahead and type that in your search engine and see who has it on that secondary market. And I also have a 14 for sale. You can contact me on IG or the YouTube comment. So let's open this bad boy up, man. So off rip, we can see special papering as well. You see where it says MJ 1988, and then a lot of these symbols in the face and things like that. So Nina Chanel Abney is a black artist, and she has like kind of like, I don't know if I'm using the right term in art-wise, but abstract type of art. I might be wrong on that, but she has some pretty cool art designs. I don't know the right terminology in art terms. I'm a shoe guy, not a, so you feel what I'm saying? So that's the packaging right there. Then boom, here we have the 3s, bro. Off rip right now, let me know how you feel. Off rip right now, let me know how you feel. Cause I saw a guy who had early pictures. Honestly, bro, all the early pictures, and we're also, you guys see the extra orange laces, bro. I think that was one of the major things that sold me, was those orange laces with the pic that they had on sneakers. Because, bro, I've seen a whole lot of early pairs of these, and bro, it was just inconsistent because, you know, people using filters, some people not. So it's like, oh, I genuinely don't know how I feel about this. But just starting off with some of the details. So the main thing is, I'll start off with the heel. So the heel right here, it has the Nike Air, and there's a grass type of material, and then the fonting on it is kind of little, something that we're not really used to. I like it. Some people feel like it's weird, they don't like it. Me personally, I like it. It's different. And then that also just plays an omen to her art. So all of her art has this different type of style to it. And then you'll see other things as well. For example, like the rope type of laces, which honestly I love on shoes. I think there's a Dunk, the foam figures. I love how they have the thick ropes shoes. I like the idea of the rope shoes, but just all the rope shoes to me are corny. Like Lavins, I feel like are so corny because they just got like It's just one of those, like, even hype these shoes. It's just one of those shoes that you see on TikTok that everybody just gravitates to. You know what I mean? But I do like rope laces on actual sneakers. That makes sense. So that also plays into our art. So now into the material, this darker gray area right here, that's gonna be a form of like canvas material. So I'm not gonna lie. And then this grass right here is waxy suede. So bro, don't get these damaged, bro, because that material on these is gonna be a pain. Bro, I have some canvas 3s, bro. I hate wearing those. Bro, you look, your foot just steps outside, bro, and they get dirty. My Travis Scott Air Forces, those are canvas. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's just a pain to have any type of canvas shoes, bro. Then this is a dark green overlaying over a lighter shade of green with the grass. So it's just like one bad look on it is gonna ruin the whole shoe, bro. It's not a lot of products that can clean, I guess, I don't know how to say that term, but basically get it clean without it seeing the after effects, right? So just be careful if you plan on getting this for a personal. That's just a little disclaimer, and I realized that when I looked at the shoe. Then next we have a all cream midsole going around. Same thing right here. The Jumpman being that same cream, and then outline on the tongue, and then obviously on the heel tab as well. And then the ropes are laces. But honestly, bro, I saw the orange laces, and we're gonna take those out so you guys can see it. What else details we got right here on the sole? I like this colorful sole. Got the orange Nike with the neon green right here. So I think that's pretty dope as well. Next important details, we can see it right here. It has her name on the inside of the tongue. I think that's pretty dope. I want to see if it has her. Oh, on the other one it says Air Jordan. And then obviously on this one we have actually I messed up the little thing, but we have a double-sided hang tag, bro. That's pretty dope. I think, now I might be wrong, bro. Sneakerheads love to correct another dude because I don't know every single shoe off the bat of my heart. But I think this is the first time that I've seen a reverse-sided hang tag like that with the different colors. If I'm wrong, let me know what shoe in the comment section below. Just don't hurt me. Cool. I think that's pretty dope because me personally, I enjoy having all my hang tags on my shoes as long as it's not dragging on the floor. So all of my Air Jordan 4s, I love keeping the hang tag on them. My 3s, my off-white, sometimes the off-white, the zip ties really do be dragging. So most of them I just take them off, to be honest. But I love all that. Honestly, if it ain't a StockX tag, bro, just keep all the accessories on there. But another whole different story, whole different video. Now the last detail before we go ahead and change the laces and then change into the shoes, try them on, is the insole right here, because this also plays a part into her art. It's kind of like this checkerboard theme right here. So again, her name is Nina Chanel Abney. She's a black artist. If you want to go look her up, does really good art. Obviously good enough to get her own Jordan brand deal with 2 Jordans, and she might even have, I think she just has these 2. I think she just has the Jordan 2s, the lows, or were they highs? Jordan 2s, and then these Jordan 3s right here. Obviously, I think the Jordan 3s, in my opinion, are better because I just like that model better than the 2s. I really only like the Just On 2s, really. That's the only 2s that I can see myself rocking. Low-key, the Jordan Low 2/3, where they combine them, I low-key rock with them. But let's go ahead and take out these laces, and then we're gonna go ahead and try them on. We're gonna try them on so you guys get to see with them. Oh my God, these. So you'll be able to get to see them with the orange laces and the cream laces as well when we do an on foot bid, I guess, POV. And I got these in a 14, bro, and people say that the 3s run big, bro. I don't know what people be saying, bro, but I get all of my 3s in a size up, bro. Me personally, I got my white cements in the 3s. They feel phenomenal. I got my Balvin 3s and a 3. I'm trying to remember what was the Jordan 3 that I got that was just tight. I think it was the red cements. I don't know what they're called, but they had like a regular version, and then they had a Chicago version too on the back. Pretty sure those are just called red cements or something like that, but I'm pretty sure those were 13 and those were the shoe. I should have low-key did it on this shoe because it has the hang tag that's orange, or is that doing too much? Should I just have it contrast each other? I don't know. But also, as you can see, these orange laces are roped as well, so that's also good because it really low-key wouldn't make it would be just disappointing if they had regular rope laces and then the the cooler looking laces, depending on how you want to wear them, are just regular laces and not the rope. I low-key don't like when they have all these shoe holes, because I low-key be not knowing which one to put them, but honestly, I just do the first two that are on the inside and not on the outside, just to make it make sense. If you want to get real funky and try and do some type of design with that's on you, gang. I ain't telling you what to do, but this is the way that I lace them. I just go one by one in order, honestly, just in straight line. Everything on the inside, and then I just alternate sides every time I go. And then when we get closer to the front of it, which we're gonna get to right now, honestly, I have all of my shoes just hanging out like this. So we got one more hole, pause, and so it'll be able to hang out. Now you kind of stretch out the shoe just a little bit, just so it's not fully tight when you do it like this, because this will make it a little bit tight, just so you can have it extend like that. So there we go. So it just hangs out slightly. And this is honestly because I don't know how to tie my shoes. Just kidding. I just really don't like tying my shoe, and I use the bunny method, which I guess isn't cool for grown-ups anymore. So, but yeah, here it is, looking all orange. And bro, hey, these make the shoes 100% better, bro. I don't know if I would go, let me do it like this. I don't know if I would go orange and cream or just all orange. You guys can let me know in the comment section down below. But honestly, bro, I really love, you should have at least one orange, bro. You should have at least one orange. So now you guys see the difference. I'm gonna go and do a little 360 for you. I like these. Look, let me know how I did my lace game, bro. If you watch if you watched any of my cactus flea market videos where I tried to put in the bigger laces, bro, it would seem like I never knew how to tie a shoe, bro, because those laces are extremely thick and it's extremely hard to get in the holes. Pause all of that. But these right here, I really do like how thin these laces are, bro, because it was actually like this. I think this was honestly easier than regular laces, to be honest. So I like this a lot. So I'll see you guys in the next POV, so we can go ahead and try them on, and I can tell you guys how they fit and feel and look. Boom. All right, here we go. Y'all see them? One orange, one cream. We're gonna go ahead and try these bad boys on, man. And y'all see all the extra boxes in the background. So that means we got a whole bunch of unboxings, bro. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I got all the shoes that you want covered. And if there is some shoes on here that I haven't covered, bro, let me know in the comment section below, because I'm down to, don't hate on me for this. See, bro, I love the exact amount of space that I have in a size 14 for my threes, bro. A size 13 is like, bro, because I feel like threes are already narrow, right? I feel like they're already narrow. So that's why me personally, I guess it's just because my foot is wide that I have to go up a size. And there's no half sizes in when it gets to my size, you feel me? But me personally, I go up a full size in threes. The material isn't really different from most threes on the inside. So I wouldn't say, compared to like Monty Manier threes, I feel like those ran big because of the silk inlining. But these, I feel like they're normal. There's the normal size that I get in all of my threes. I get a 14, but all my other Jordans, like my Jordan 1s and things like that, I get in the 13. So my foot is wide, so y'all can take that information how you will. I do feel like they're a little bit, threes in general are just narrow to me, so that's how I feel. They feel good. Now they do feel slightly heavy, but that's also because of the way I lace them. So they kind of like, look, this one is really just this one, because this one's still factory lace, but and I think my right foot is smaller than my left, but I don't know. But they look on person, like I said, bro, I love the orange. I love the orange laces. I just don't know if orange in both is doing too much, right? Or if one orange and one cream is tacky. I really don't know. I'm gonna come to an executive decision by the time I make my sneaker haul vid, because that's what I also do. I do every 4 shoes that I get for personal, I go ahead and make a whole sneaker haul video. And I like those because they'll sometimes have, usually for the most part, they'll have different reasonings on them after the fact, or I've worn them a couple of times, like change my whole viewpoint from my original unboxing. But again, make sure you are subscribed so you can see that. But I like them. They cool. Now, I did pay, should I disclose how much? I'll put it like this. I paid market for this, or not this pair, because I got this from Sneakers, but I paid market for another pair because I thought I wasn't going to be able to get these because this was the only store that had them. And sometimes they charge me good, sometimes they don't. It's part of the game. But if it's a shoe that I really like, I go ahead and just pay that fee regardless, because usually I get it a couple days early and it's guaranteed. You feel me? But after that, I got them for retail and I saw where the numbers were after sneakers drop. Regret paying that little fee. I feel like even if I didn't hit on them and I saw them in hand, I would have been like, it wasn't really worth that price. Like, I don't mind not having them, but I would always regret it if I see them in person or I keep on seeing them online. But I think this is one of those shoes where it's like, I don't care if I hit. I'm happy if I do hit type of shoe. Because again, this green and orange is gonna be crazy to match and wear. But you could definitely figure some stuff out. Probably like some camo tones, earth tones, things like that. Get maybe a little really walkie pants. I think the walkie pants would be better for this instead of a walkie shirt. But that's it for these, man. So just to recap, I love them. Why did I lie? I really do like them. Love is crazy, but I enjoy that these are in my collection. I think they're just all right, though. I think they're nothing to like that you need. Now, I do have some shoes that I just, what's up, that I just needed. I fiended for those, but these, I'm all right with them. So I'll gladly be able to want to sell these, my second pair. 2, material. Just know that the material is like 50% canvas, 50% suede. So just know those are probably like 2 worst materials to get dirty. 3, they're narrow. So according to your foot, go up half a size, do what you need to do. The laces are pretty dope. I love the rope laces. I'm still deciding. You guys can let me know which one looks better or what combination of laces I should do. And I think that's it. So with that being said, man, I'll see y'all in the next video. I don't even know what to say. It's like 2 shades of green for real.